Today is a big yontav, a big day. Today is Pesach Shiny. So Reb Nussen says, what can we take out from Pesach Shiny? What Pesach Shiny means for us? There was the Kahana, didn't make the Pesach, the Korban Pesach. There was Tumah. So they come to Moshe Rabbeinu, and they ask Moshe Rabbeinu why we are different. Nobel Gura. Why we are different. Why we are different. We also want to make the Korban Pesach. So Moshe Rabbeinu didn't know what to answer them. So Moshe Rabbeinu says, wait, I'm going to ask Hashem. He says for Hashem, there are people, they say, why we are different, we also want to make the Korban Pesach. Hashem says, they want to make the Korban Pesach? Tell them, 30 days after Pesach, they could make another Pesach. It's very interesting. So why we are different? This is the mitzvah. People that are Tumah, not allowed to make the Korban. People that are Tuer, allowed to make the Korban. What is the question? Why we are different? So Reb Nussen says, look what they people got. Because they was mechitzufim. Not mechitzufim, they pushed in. Okay, Hashem says all people that are Tumah can't make Korban Pesach, but I want to make the Korban Pesach. So they come and they ask and they beg Hashem. Hashem gives them the Korban Pesach. This is a limit. This is a lesson for us. The person thinks, "What? I'm Puter. No, I'm not a holy person. But if the person goes every day to Hashem and asks Hashem, why? I want to also be good. I want to also be pure. I want to also have a good life. Why I'm suffering? Why I want to be a ehrlich Yid. I want to be good. I want to have pure eyes. I don't want to look in this all garbage stuff. This is the limit in Pesach Shani. If you want a teretz, there's a teretzim. There's a saying in the world, Sharai teretzim loin in Ali. You hear this? There's teretzim. You remember when you was a child and you come late to Cheder and the Rabbi asks you why you come late? Every child has tons of excuses. If you want a teretz, but there is a person, I don't want a teretz. I want this. The Rebbe says, the Chazal says, if a person wants to do a mitzvah, venanas, chushav lasas mitzvah venanas, is keilu also as a mitzvah. If a person wants to do a mitzvah, and he can't do the mitzvah, he's a oinus. Let's say a person is in the middle of the Holocaust. The war. I want to do the mitzvah from the Dalat Minam. There's no asterisk. You're crazy. It's ke'ili you do the mitzvah. So the Rebbe says there is two kinds of persons. There's a person. Okay, Baruch Hashem, I'm a kaim the ke'uli. It's like I do it. There's a person. I don't want a teretz. I want the mitzvah. No, leave me alone. I don't need your chizik. It's like you was do the mitzvah. I need the mitzvah. I want the mitzvah. So there are people. Our generation it's hard to have shmiras anayim. Okay, you have to read some. I can't learn because I'm busy to bring panusa. Okay, I have a teretz. But there's a person they go every day to Hashem. I don't need the teretzim. I don't need the excuses. I want to be good. I want to learn every day. I want to have shmiras anayim. This is a very big thing. But the parsha from Pasashani, when they are coming to Moshe Rabbeinu, ask Moshe Rabbeinu, Lamu Nigura, Moshe Rabbeinu says, wait, I'm going to ask Hashem. There's a moiridige Rasha. Rasha says, Ashrayu ish. Lucky is the person that could tell for someone, wait, I'm going to Hashem and then I'm going to come back. So when you learn the Rasha, you think, no, this is a Madraige, Moshe Rabbeinu. But if a person makes his body this, so someone comes to you, I have a deal for you, an offer for you. So if a person listen to the Rebbe and he do every day his body this, no, so I can tell the same thing what Moshe Rabbeinu tell you. Give me a day. I have to go to Hashem. Ask Hashem. This is Ashrayu ish sheyuchel loime v'z the Lushan Rasha. Ashrayu ish no. V'zukt wait for me. I'm going to Hashem and I'm coming right back to ask Hashem. This is the gift what we got from the Rebbe. Everything what you need, everything what let's say a boy. Shatchan calls you, I have a good shidduch for you. So, how does the boy know if this is my shidduch, if it's not my shidduch? Okay, they go to Yatzad. There's a thing that you have to go to a Ehrlich Yid, to a Tzaddik, take a brucha, but maybe if I don't take this shidduch, next week they call me with a special girl. So there's full of doubts, confused. Let's say a young man need a job. Oh, you see an offer. But maybe if I don't take this offer, next day I got a few $100 more a week. So how could a person know if he do good, if he don't good? It's full of bilbilim. So, but if you do the zach from his body this, before you go to a job, you go to a shidduch, you give it for Hashem. Hashem, I don't want nothing. I don't need nothing. I don't have nothing. Marash was saying this every time. If a person don't have nothing, you don't need nothing, you don't want nothing, so you could take away something from him. He has machloikis with someone. No, I'm giving myself to Hashem. What Hashem wants to do, Hashem, da habe ich to help me. The biggest thing is to go a futze. I'm giving 7 shirim a day, but you are a person that is standing in the street from now till the night. So I have to give you chizik. Maifetz, no, the größte Sache. From now, you hear? Oh boys, listen. There's a person here. He goes from now. Don't go home. You go home now? No, you go to this train station. He took his, a wagon with 2-3 boxes svurim. Goes in the 5 towns, stands in the street, restaurants, till 9 o'clock by night, every day. This is panusa. So I think I have to be mechazik. I bestellt mir so mal heilig, nur a rausgehen von der Weg von sich, nicht kehren von sich den ganzen Tag, nur, das kann ich dir etwas für den Zweiten.